We're making salmon cakes today, and we have some Norwegian salmon packed in a vacuum bag. We're going to cook them at 48 degrees for 15 minutes in our Sous Vide immersion circulator, and if you don't have one, just boil them in water for 10. Okay. Our salmon has been cooking sous vide for 15 minutes now. As you can see, it's super moist. It's glistening with moisture. And as opposed to like dry salmon or canned salmon, this has a lot of character and a lot of taste. We have our firm salmon here. Remove the skin. There's no value to us. And take off all these nice bits of meat. They're really juicy. Just break them up. So whenever you see a bone, just get rid of it. Salmon cake, we're going to need some chives, finely chopped. One really large garlic clove, just grated in. We have some sweet Japanese mayo, but you could substitute it for any mayo you like. One organic egg. And half a cup of really good breadcrumbs. Season it up with some salt, freshly cracked black pepper, so we have our mixture here, and let it rest in the fridge till we're ready to form them. Wax-proof paper to form our salmon patties, or salmon cakes. So we're just going to take a scoop of this. Make sure it's really dense, compact and compressed together. That's one salmon patty done. Season the salmon cake with some salt, pepper, pan is lightly smoking. Okay. Yeah. Add a little butter. If you want to learn how to make this potato salad, click over here where the potato salad is. The most beautiful fish cake you have. Rock it. Super special today, we're going to smoke this salmon cake. Add some hickory wood, which is the traditional wood they would smoke salmon with in Norway. Add some wood chips into the smoking gun. Dense with smoke. We have our vessel with smoke. And really quick, this goes on the salmon. The smoke is trapped under the glass. Today my cameraman's got his birthday, his 30th birthday, and this is for you, man.
Oh, thank you, man. Thank you.
Yeah, dude.